few guys, and yeah, this is the process to follow. So if you just head to AgSKAN Farming, jump onto our website, and if you're new, you'll be creating a new account for yourself. So this is what we're going to call the manager account. So just head to the sign up there, chuck in your personal email address. So this will be the one that you use to set up everything in the account. So this is kind of your host account, your main account. So yeah, use your personal email address for this. When I'm setting up a few accounts, I end up putting everything as the word password. You'll see why in a second. It makes it easier. You'll be logging in and out a couple of times. So here there's a bit of a chat feature that'll link you straight with Lockie and I if you've got any questions. So help. Anyway, that is a direct line to Lockie and I. So because this is your main account, you'll be going as a farm manager. So click through that. You'll be putting your name in here. That's me, Ryan Scamp. And today we have Imaginary Farm Top Hill. Very creative name. You get the point. Chuck that in. That's your farm name and your phone number. This will help me give you a call if you get stuck with anything else. So there's a survey here. I've already done it. Just gives us a few details about where you are, but I'm skipping through that for now. So this is the important bit. If there's you and 3 other people on the farm, that's 4 people in total, you want to select 4 seats here. So this will give your account the authority to have 4 people on the farm. You can keep an eye on 3 other blokes, and then you can see what you're doing all from your phone or another tablet or your desktop, however you fancy. So just go through the payment process here. I'm obviously not going to do that. We're just setting up a proxy account, but that's where you would do it. Anyway, that would take you back through to the homepage if you went through that and you purchased 4 seats. So now I'm going to show you, First off, we will create a map. So once you've got an account, you still need to create a map within that. You can have as many maps as you want. If you've got different farms, some guys have lease blocks, they want different farms for that. But here we have Top Hill Farm, and we're setting this up for seeding. So in our operation name, we've got seeding and we're doing a bit of barley. So chuck that in there. Seeding barley, add operation. And it's also pretty handy if you've got your fields uploaded. This part isn't necessary, but it's cool to have, and yeah, it's a nice handy feature. So if you've got any of your paddock boundary files on hand, whether that be KML shape files, ISO XML files, we take all sorts. This is where you'd upload them. Now you get to scroll through and just have a look and make sure they're proper and it hasn't been any funky looking boundaries. These all look good, so you can just accept them all at once. That's pretty easy to do, and just hit load there. And this will chuck all of your paddocks onto your farm map. So there we go. They're all loaded up, so they'll be loaded into Top Hill Farm. Now, this is the important bit. This is how you get everyone else onto your map. So this map ID is your, kind of call it a master link. That long letter of letters and numbers is the key to get people onto your map. So this is the one that you're going to be using in a second. So just go and copy and paste it somewhere in notes, and make sure it's not in capitals, or bold, I should say, because that's caught me out before. It doesn't seem to read it that well. Anyway, that's the magic number. So you've set up your account, you've got your map ID, just sign out, and then you're going to go sign back up, and these are going to be your farm accounts. So we're going to call it Top Hill 1 at agskan.com. Password, again, just do password for now. You can go and change all of this later. So this is our first operator account. So you've got your host one, your main one, and then these are your farm accounts. So they don't have to be real email addresses. You can just make them up, whatever your farm name is. So here I'm going to enter for the name of the account as Top Hill 1. So that's going to let me know that whoever's using this login is Top Hill 1. And then that's where you copy and paste your map ID link in. Join, and bang, we're connected to Top Hill Farm owned by Ryan Scamp. So head in to there, and bang, you can see now we've got 2 people joined onto the map. And that the reason they're joined to the map is because they used that map ID link. Now, the operation wasn't showing up. I just refreshed the page and there it is. If you're ever having dramas, just do a quick page refresh and you'll be laughing. So that's all you need to do now, and it's pretty much rinse and repeat. Do this 3 times if you're trying to set up 3 tablets. So sign back up with your Top Hill 2 at agskan.com. And yeah, just make up whatever email address is for your farm name. It's the easiest way to remember it, but just make sure you write them down somewhere and just make all of them password for now. Once again, you're a field operator. This is Top Hill 2. And you'll be chucking in that map ID link. So I'm just going to do this 3 times just to make sure everyone gets it. This is the easiest way to do it. We do it all on the desktop. So after this, once you've got your accounts, you can just go and set up your tablet with the email address, tophill1, tophill2 at agskan.com and password, and you'll be in. You'll be set up. You'll be joined to the map. You won't have to do any of this map ID link or setting up the accounts. So you can do them all from the desktop and then just go and log them in out in the paddock. It's the easiest way to do it. I've set up a lot of accounts now for people. So anyway, this kind of takes you under 10 minutes to get your account from nothing to going. So this is the last one, Top Hill 3. And map ID link, once again, joined. Perfect. All right. Now you can see here down the bottom, there's 4 of us, Top Hill 1, 2, 3, and then the owner, Ryan. And yeah, that's it. We're all joined into the same operation. Now, to get everyone painting their trails at the same time, you all need to be in that same operation. Looks like I actually forgot to do it there, but everyone needs to be in seeding. So now if you sign back into your main one, Ryan at Scan Farming, this is your manager account again. This is the main one where you own all your seats. You'll be able to see everyone in there. And then because you've logged out on all those other ones, they can be logged into any other tablet. So that's pretty much your account set up. Yeah, you can have a bit of play around, jump into the map. This will, if you want to find where you are, home base, just press that home button and that'll take you to where all your paddocks are. And that's your paddocks uploaded there. Very handy. You saw I pressed don't allow. If you want your mapping to it, you'll have to press allow for location services for Safari. But anyway, that's kind of the gist of it. Yeah. Thank you very much.